Hey guys, so if you're making a Dart application or a Flutter project, Flutter application or anything, and you need to test it, but you have a low-end PC that you cannot run the emulator, or maybe you don't have a device, you don't have any means to connect into that device. There's actually one way to test it, and you don't need any powerful system to do it. All you need to do is select Edge Web, and you can press run. Once this loads, which would take a while, you would see that you get something that is a pretty good representation of what it will look like on a phone. It's also responsive. You can test it on multiple screen sizes, and you don't actually need anything heavy for this. You don't even need you don't need to download several devices to run it. Let's show you. As soon as it loads, it could take a minute. And there we have it. Now you can hit F11, or you can go to more tools, developer tools, and let's select this, and here you can actually see what it will look like on a phone. You can actually select any phone or device you want, and all the buttons work, everything works, and you can basically just test your app without having to run it on a phone or an emulator. I hope that was useful, and well, see you.